Hi, so today I'm going to show you how I like to make my buttonholes for my cardigans. I prefer this method over the yarn over technique as it's a really nice sturdy buttonhole and it actually has a nice decorative look to it as well. So to get started, when you reach the place where it says to start your buttonhole, you're going to bring your yarn to the front. You're going to slip the next stitch purlwise, and then you're going to bring your yarn to the back. Then you're going to slip the next stitch purlwise, and you're going to pass your first slip stitch over this second one. So that's one stitch binded off here. And you're going to repeat this for as many stitches as you want bound off. I'm going to bind off 4. This is 2. Slip the next stitch purlwise, pass this stitch over this one, and one more makes 4. Okay, so next what you're going to do is you're going to take the stitch that's on your right needle and you're going to slip it purlwise over to the left hand needle, and then you're going to turn your work. Now when you're casting on stitches, you're going to cast on one more than the total number that you binded off. So if I bound off 4 stitches, I'm going to cast on 5 stitches. I usually use the knitted cast on for this. I'm going to actually purl the cast on just so that it matches the front. The technique is the same, except you're just going to purl into the stitch instead of knit into it. So purl into that, pull the loop out, place it up on your needle, that's 1. Purl into the second one, place up on your needle, that's 2. Purl into the third, 3, and that's 4, and then that is 5. Okay, so when you have all your stitches cast on, you're going to turn your work again, and then you're going to slip the stitch that's on your left hand needle knitwise, and you're going to take the last cast on stitch and you're going to pass it over that slip stitch, and there you have it. That is your buttonhole, and as you can see, this is one here that's finished. It looks really nice, the edges are really nice, and the buttonhole is a nice size, and it's a really nice sturdy buttonhole, and they'll all look really nice and even. And that's how I like to make my buttonholes.